Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5 student. This is your computer teacher and right now I'll be teaching you unit 1 of your textbook. So open up your textbook. Unit 1 is about characteristic and evolution of computer. In this chapter you will learn about the history of computer and how computer evolved. In this chapter you will learn what were the early calculating devices, evolution of computers and characteristics of computers. Early calculating devices. Abacus. The abacus was probably the first calculating device. It was invented in China. It was a rectangular shaped box in which wooden rods were placed and in which beads were placed. बीट्स होती थी और हर रॉड जो है वो यूनिट 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 इस तरह की नंबर प्लेसमेंट को शो कर रही होती थी। इस तरह की डिवाइस अभी भी स्कूल्स में यूज़ हो रही हैं, एलिमेंट्री क्लासेस में यूज़ हो रही होती हैं, जिसके थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स बेसिक कैलकुलेशन लर्न कर रहे होते हैं, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिविजन. And this device is very useful for those students who are unable to see. Next is Napier bones. In 1616, Sir John Napier made a calculating device named Napier bones. ये भी abacus की तरह की rectangular shape की होती थी. It was made by wood or the bones of animals. और इसमें भी number placement इसी तरह की होती थी कि unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 इस तरह से लिखा होता था और इस तरह से सारा जो है उसके कैलकुलेशन हो रही. Pascaline. In 1641, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline, the first mathematical calculator. It was consisted of a rectangular box on which wheels were made. Each wheel represent the unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 number placement. And that's how the calculation was made. Next is difference engine. In 19th century, Charles Babbage invented a machine called the difference engine. Charles Babbage, who is also known as the father of the computer, he made the difference engine, which is shown on the picture. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage also invented the first general-purpose computer known as the analytical engine, which had the same basic element as the modern computer: input, output and memory devices. Charles Babbage ने ही analytical engine भी बनाया था, as it is shown on picture. It was the first general-purpose computer, means के उसमें हर तरह का काम किया जा सकता था. और जिस तरह आजकल के कंप्यूटर में इनपुट डिवाइस यानी कि मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड एंड माउस होते हैं, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस में जैसे मॉनिटर और आपका प्रिंटर आ जाता है, ऐसे इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइस यूज़ हो रही होती थी और मेमोरी डिवाइसेस भी यूज़ हो रही होती थी जिसमें डाटा सेव होता था. Okay, then you have to do the worksheet. Worksheets are available from your you can get these worksheets from your school canteen. These are available there. In this worksheet, what you have to do, that abacus, Napier bones, Pascaline, difference engine and analytical engines is given. You have to write the country name from where it was invented, inventor name, date of invention, when it was invented, अपने year of invention बताना है, and its function you have to write, right? Thank you class 5. This is the first part of the unit 1. For the later part you have to watch the other videos.